Yo, what's up guys, I'm Victor Gatobu. Welcome to this YouTube channel. You're very welcome. If it's your first time here, welcome. Today's on a Sunday around 11 a.m. and I'm going to church. Coming live and clear, straight outer Masai Lodge, Kenya. This is how Masai Lodge looks like on a Sunday. That's an entrance to the Nairobi National Park. That's Multimedia University. This is how the entrance to Brookhouse Schools looks like. Then next to it we have Galleria Mall. Galleria. Now we are on Langata Road. That's the main gate for the Nairobi National Park. So now we are heading to the Southern Bypass. So we are still on Langata Road heading to the Southern Bypass. That's the view of Kibera, the largest slum in Africa. That's how Kibera looks like. Now we are entering the Southern Bypass. Currently on the Southern Bypass, we have the Nairobi National Park. That's the overpass that goes into the expressway. And we have Mombasa Road. So on Sundays, there are normally not many cars on the roads of Nairobi. It's very enjoyable to drive on Sundays. So we are currently on Likoni Road, heading to Jogoo Road. We are now joining Jogoo Road. Let's go. This is how Jogoo Road looks like on a Sunday. It's business as usual. Eastlands shenanigans. And finally, we have arrived at our church. We are the last to arrive at the church. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.